What's up and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to show you guys how to get this hair look. I love this look. I really do. I'm gonna say this throughout the whole video because it's true. Like, look at it. It's amazing. Do you see these curls? Do you see? This is supposed to be a wavy wig, but it's not. I'm gonna make sure to also put down all the information on the wig and also the products that I use in this video in the description box below. Guys, we're almost at 100 subscribers. Like, what? It's the little things for me. It's honestly little things. I really do appreciate you guys for watching each and every week. Y'all know who you are. I'm sending my love to you. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. Don't forget to tap on the bell notification for all the new videos that come out each and every week. If you guys have any questions about this look, about this wig, about the products that I use, let me know in the comments below and I will be happy to answer those for you. Without further ado, let's get into this because I am feeling myself. Hi. Like, guys, like, this is so beautiful. All right, bye. Before I begin, the details on this wig. This is from Best Lace Wigs. I got this wig, I want to say about 2 years ago, and it's still in amazing shape. So the cap size that I got for the wig, it's a small medium, and also the color is number 1. So it's like a dark black color. I like black. I love it on my skin tone. I just feel like, I don't know, black is amazing. Black is everything, okay? Black is beautiful. Black is beautiful. Period. Anyways, and the density of this hair is 130%. It is the water wave lace front. This is Indian Remy hair. I love this wig. It's just I need to get better at like putting on wigs in a timely fashion because that's just my problem. It literally takes me forever to put on a wig, but once it's on very well. It's not gonna move, it's not gonna go nowhere. So basically what I did was I shampooed and conditioned my hair, the hair, sorry. My hair too, but yeah, no, I shampooed and conditioned the hair last week and then I combed it out. I just used a wide tooth comb. This works very well. That's why it looks puffy right now. Nice and puffy, but that's all gonna change. So when I got it, I still have the original box that it came in, so I don't know if you could see that. Probably not. Yeah, probably not. Either way, it says Best Lace Wigs, 100% human hair with affordable price. And then inside they give you like a little pamphlet that also shows you how to wash the hair, how to apply the hair. So it's really cool. It's really dope. I just really love this wig, number 1. The hair is really nice, it's soft, and like no hair really comes out. Like when I brush this out, it doesn't shed easily, so that's another thing that I really like. As you can tell, or as you can see from the title below, I will be doing a wet look. This look is so beautiful. I don't know, I just really like it. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair. And I'm gonna tie this side up. We're gonna work on my right side first. Gonna go through it again. You wanna go ahead and fill up your spray bottle with just regular water. And then we're gonna go ahead and also make sure that you wear a shirt that you don't mind getting wet because it can get a little, a bit messy, but yeah. Just letting you know. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and just spray this in my hair. And then what I like to do, I just like to run my fingers through the hair. That way I just make sure that there's no hairs that are dry, and if there are, I go back in like just with the water. Do you see the difference? Like, this wig is everything, guys. You don't understand. I love it. And honestly, they have really good prices as well on this website. So I highly suggest that you guys go check it out if you're, you know, if you're just looking to do something different with your hair. And I'm gonna go ahead with my ECOSTYLER gel. Gonna go ahead and just put a generous amount on your hands, and then you're just gonna go ahead and run it through with your fingers again. Okay. Okay, perfect. Sorry guys, I have a tendency to look up because my camera screen, and I just want to make sure that like this is looking right. Like, come on. Once you're done with that, sometimes I also use, if I can too, I use this curling gel, but I ran out of it, so I would have put that in right now. But yeah, just any sort of curling gels, they work really well. Even the ECOSTYLER gel is really good too. But if you just want like that extra, I guess, like defined curly look with a curly wig, this is a wavy wig, but still, I find that like it can tend to look curly too. You want to go in with any mousse, hair mousse that you have. The one that I got, this is by VIGOROL Olive Oil Mega Moisture Mousse. I like to put that right at the top of my wigs because I really like a nice flat look, right? Okay, so I'm gonna take some of that. Okay, just dab it into the top part. And I could also put some in the hair as well. But I like to use this mousse mainly for my, like for the top of the wig, because I find like it gives like a really nice flat surface, which I like. And then I like to just press it up to show the waves. You see that? Guys, you don't understand, I really love this look. Now that we're done my right side, I'm gonna go ahead with on the other side. Can you just talk about how wigs are such an amazing protective hairstyle? Like, you don't understand, guys. Like, when I can, I plan on buying a whole bunch of wigs, a whole bunch of different colors, a whole bunch of different styles, because I really just want to work on growing my hair and just taking care of it and just leaving it alone. I definitely love my curls. It's just, if I can, I'll just leave it alone for a little bit. And I feel like even though, you know, we're stuck in the house and stuff, I still want to dress up. I still want to look nice. And I find that like in the summertime, mostly, I always want to switch up a look. Like I just want to change my look. I don't know why, but summertime just does that to me. Woo, ciao. So I glued this wig down with Ghost Bond glue, which is a pretty intense glue. And the reason for it is because I really just want to give my hair a break for at least like a couple days, so that this is not going to come off at all. And I found out the hard way. The best way to take off that kind of glue is to use alcohol swabs. Well, I use alcohol swabs, but yeah, alcohol, like 80% alcohol does the trick. You just put it on a cotton pad and then you go ahead and remove it. Yeah, I find like that's like the best. That's worked for me. I find that the wet look lasts for a few hours. Like this is gonna last at least like 4 to 5 hours. And even when it's dry, it still has that like shiny, like wet look. Love this look, guys. You don't understand. This is so fire. There you have it. This is an easy wet look that you can do. You can do this on any wig. It doesn't necessarily have to be wavy or curly, but I just prefer it on those kinds of wigs because I just feel like it brings out the texture more. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really wanted to do a look that I enjoy doing, but at the same time that a lot of you ladies out there that have wigs like these can do. I hope you guys try this look out, and if you do, let me know how it went. Let me know how you feeling about it. Please don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends, your family, spread the news, let people know Nyatina's here, okay? Get me to 100 subscribers. I'm almost there. I appreciate you guys. I really thank you guys for watching. Truly, I appreciate you all. I will see you guys next week with another video. Have a great day or night wherever you are, and stay safe. Bye.